how many appointments do you have before graduating from your fertility clinic? So some people may not know this, but you start your surrogate journey off at an IVF fertility clinic. So you start off there with your medical clearance. They are just making sure that your body is ready to go, that your body is going to be a safe place for baby and for just everything to be very safe and healthy and good for both baby and surrogate. So you start off for that medical clearance appointment, and then you're going to go on to lining checks. So lining checks are just going to be checking to make sure your lining is thick enough to transfer baby. And when they are doing that, they are also doing blood draws. So they're checking your progesterone levels, they're checking your estrogen levels, they're checking a lot of levels, again, just to make sure that your body is going to be a safe place for baby. And from then, that's when you are going to beautiful transfer. So of course, transfer is one of the most beautiful, amazing things. And so that is one appointment at the fertility clinic. And then we are moving on to beta checks. And beta checks are just going to be blood draws to check your beta numbers. So every journey is also going to vary on what your beta checks look like. So my first journey, I think I had 2 beta draws and then moving on to ultrasound. Whereas this journey, I had a couple more than that because we experienced a chemical. And then second transfer for my second journey, we did the same. 2 beta draws and then on to ultrasound. So every journey looks a little bit different, but if the surrogacy is progressing exactly how they want it to, it's going to be 2 to 3 beta draws and then on to ultrasound. So after beta draws, you go on to ultrasound appointment, and hopefully you are getting to see a beautiful heartbeat at the ultrasound appointment. And after that, you have 1 to 2 more ultrasounds to see baby, making sure baby is growing, making sure baby's in the right place, making sure just everything looks very safe, beautiful, and happy for baby. So after all of those, from medical clearance all the way to the last ultrasound, you are having about 8 appointments before graduating from the fertility clinic. It goes so fast. It is seriously such a beautiful process that you can't even comprehend how fast it's going. But about 8 appointments, maybe a couple more if they want to check on baby, look at baby to make sure baby is growing good, or for beta draws. So expect probably between 8 to 10 appointments before graduating to your normal OB.